Hello, my name is Nikki Drake, and in this video, we'll be discussing how to compose an email, reply to an email, and forward an email. First, we'll start with how to compose an email. To begin an email you wish to send, you'll click the Compose button in the top left-hand corner, right here with the pen icon. Once you press this, you'll see a to-line pop up. In the to line, you're going to enter one or more email addresses to which you'd like to send the email. In this example, we're going to send to Betsy Ross. So betsyross955@gmail.com. And in the subject line, you can enter the title or subject of your email. In this example, we're going to do meeting plans. So meeting plans. Then you're going to press in this big space below to write your email. So in this example, we're going to say, "Hi Betsy, I wanted to check in and see if you are still available to meet for coffee tomorrow morning. Please let me know when you can. See you tomorrow, Nikki." When you're done writing your email and you're ready to send, you'll click the send button below, which is in blue right here, and press with your mouse. You can ensure that your email has been sent successfully if you click the sent folder on this left side with the paper airplane icon, and you can see the email message that was sent to Betsy Ross 955 about meeting plans, and if you select it, you can see the entirety of the message. Now we're going to view this from the perspective of Betsy Ross's email inbox. So I'm going to switch over with the tab now. Now we're entering Betsy Ross's email inbox. You can see here that she now has an email from Taylor Drake. And if you open this, you'll be able to see the entirety of the message where it says, "Hi Betsy, I wanted to check in and see if you're still available to meet for coffee tomorrow morning. Please let me know when you can. See you tomorrow, Nikki." So say now you're Betsy and you want to reply to Taylor Drake and say that you are interested in meeting for coffee and you're okay with doing that. So you go ahead and press the reply button right here to reply to the message. And so for instance, we're going to say, "Hi Nikki, I am still able to meet for coffee. Thanks for checking in. See you then, Betsy." Once you're done writing your reply email, it's the same thing where you'll press this blue button at the bottom that says send. In addition to sending an email, you can also forward an email. Forwarding an email means to send the email you received to someone else. How to do this is you press the forward button right here, and now we're going to send, in this example, to my EVMS email address, draketn@evms.edu. Once you select that at the top here, all you'll need to do is press send, and this will now forward to my EVMS email address. You can check that these two messages have been successfully sent when you go to your sent folder and you see the conversation that has taken place. The initial message from myself to Betsy, Betsy's reply, as well as Betsy's forwarding this email chain, which you can see below, to my draketn@evms.edu email. I hope this video was helpful for educating you on how to compose an email, reply to an email, as well as forwarding an email. Please stay tuned for our upcoming videos on how to use Zoom by creating a free Zoom account and using Zoom to create a meeting. Thank you.